two of my favorite supporting patches. They support the X39, X49. Our patches, those are patches that stimulate our GHK copper and AHK copper pathways, and that helps us to produce more stem cells and stem cells that are more active against inflammation. And sometimes when we add other patches like these, Energy Enhancer and Icewave, we get some even greater benefits. Now, Icewave is absolutely maybe my very favorite because it is sort of what it sounds. It's to help with pain. Now, we all know that there's lots of pain medicines out there, and most of them make you feel bad, and some of them don't even work for the pain very well anyway, and you still feel bad with your side effects. But you don't have side effects per se from this because there's no medicine in it, no drugs, no chemicals. What it is, this is the little sleeve it comes in, and you've got two patches in this one. This one's a little bit different. And the other one I'm going to talk about has the two patches. All the rest of them have just one patch that you use at a time. But with Icewave and with Energy Enhancer, you're going to have a patch that has a white center like this, and you're going to have a patch that has a brown center like this. And they're a bit electrically connected. What happens with Icewave is that you put the white, actually, I'm going to have to move it over here. You put white on right and brown on left. So just think white right, okay? And you wear both of them at the same time. And the Icewave patches actually interrupt the pain signals in our connective tissue. Now, my story is pretty incredible. Again, it's my story. I'm not prescribing as a physician for you, diagnosing anything or treating anything, just telling you my story and some of the research around the patches. But when I use these patches at night, my pain is reduced up to about 80 to 90%, and I have some chronic pain at night. It's amazing what this does. The first night I put it on, I went onto the website to see, where do I place these? I've got some pain all over my body. And so what I did, I put one under my right foot, the white on right, under my right foot, and the brown left underneath my left foot. And then I put two more patches up on my shoulders. And it's like it sort of bookmarks, as one of our Lifewave practitioners says, Marcy, it sort of bookmarks that pain and just encloses it and begins to interrupt the pain signals in that connective tissue. And it works very well. Now, the goal for X39 and 49 is to stop some of that pain, and carnosine works like that too. If you haven't listened to some of the other videos, please go and listen. But ultimately, over time, maybe you won't need Icewave because you'll begin to get the reparative parts of the other major patches. But in the meantime, these are wonderful patches to interrupt pain. Now, other people may just have like a sore elbow or a sore knee. And what you do then, you still use both of the patches, but you put the brown patch right on that pain. And you put the white patch just a little bit above on any side of it. So if my brown is in the middle here, like this, I'm going to put my white patch up here. See which site works best. Just give it a few seconds, see which site seems to be good. Leave it there, and you'll find there'll be a site most of the time that really interrupts that pain signal. So if you have questions about this, you'll want to really refer to your patching book that will come with it. And also on the website, go to Icewave Patches, scroll down, see usage, and it'll give you lots of places to patch. Also, Anne's going to tell you in a minute about ways you can reach us if you have any questions. Now, I want to finish today with the Energy Enhancer. Again, in this little sleeve, there is a brown and a white patch. And you're going to apply the Energy Enhancer patches, again, wherever you've been told. One good place is right here, and white on right, brown on left. Energy enhancing patches, what they do is they stimulate very special acupressure points in the body that will increase energy levels for most people. Energy Enhancer patch is one of the very first ones that Lifewave came out with, and it really helps you to have overall more energy, a little brighter brain, a little brighter body. So I encourage you to check these out. Listen to some of our other videos. It's great that you've been here with us today.